Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials, a compatible iPhone and iOS version. Once confirmed, go to Settings, open Translate, and enable Live Translate and Auto Translate so the feature can run in real time. Now open the Translate app or use the Control Center shortcut. These are the fastest entry points. Make sure your microphone and speaker permissions are allowed. Otherwise, the app can't hear or speak translations. Start a conversation session to establish source and target languages and begin listening immediately. Next, you'll configure how translation flows. Select the source and target languages, use Detect Language for unknown input so the system transcribes correctly. Tap Conversation to enter two-way mode, which alternates listening between participants. Make sure both microphones are active. Once done, pick the audio output, built-in speaker, paired AirPods, or a Bluetooth speaker. This affects clarity. Also adjust the speech rate and caption visibility to suit the listener. These settings improve accuracy and speed. To finish, end the conversation and save or copy the translated transcript for later use. This preserves key lines. If you encounter problems, such as no audio or drop translation, first check microphone access, app permissions, and any Bluetooth pairing. Intermittent connections often cause issues. If that doesn't help, force close the Translate app and reopen it, or toggle Live Translate off and back on in settings. If speech is still inaccurate, switch to a different language pair or reduce background noise to improve recognition.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.